What's up guys, I'm TC. This is another episode of Project 253. Yesterday, it was crazy hot. The day before I did some painting, explained that in the last video. Jess pulled our IROC out. We sweat like crazy getting that thing out. She cleaned it up, get it ready to be put in the garage to have some work on. Basically, we gotta put a transmission in that car and I've been having a big problem finding the proper flex plate. It's on order now from Brent and hopefully it gets here soon. Estimated date of arrival is like 18th of July, so that's long. My lens all fogged up. Oh, it's got a smudge. Today is another stinker of a day. It's crazy hot again, so I get to retreat in the garage once more by doing some more paint. I just got all of the stuff I asked for from the neighbor. I got some stencils cut out from a vinyl plotter because I find lettering, if you're gonna cut that out by hand, you gotta be crazy good, and to get it all in line, and it never really looks proper. I find when I do it, I'll have to practice some more, I guess. I got these stencils made out. You can see this. So that should make the spray nice, straight, uniform. You know, it's gonna look good. I'm gonna get on that right away. I'm gonna start with the oil bag, and then after we're gonna do tanks, and that should be it for the bike. this was a fairly simple design where all I had to do was follow the stencil. So I just put some fades in it, which I thought were appropriate. It needs a little bit of cleaning up, but it's gonna be all right. So I will definitely give you guys an update when the bike is together, when it's all painted. Just giving this paint job, that little Rocket Bunny logo and the Harley Davidson stuff that I did today on the tank, giving that a clear coat is gonna give it a whole world of depth. It's gonna change it up, hopefully a lot, and give it some sort of a thickness to it, a soul a bit, you know? Like, I'll show you guys when it's done. But for right now, I'm thinking maybe we'll check out what that bike sort of looks like, what's sitting there. It's not completely built yet, but it's a nice frame setup and give you an idea. That's the bike, that's what it's going on, and it's going to be a real beast when it's all put together. I didn't really show you around the shop much else than just the bike and the motor because I'm saving that for later. Probably gonna end up doing some work in there. That's my dad's garage, so if you guys are wondering where I get it from, he's the role model and he's got a lot more going on than I do. He's more into classic cars, muscle cars, hot rods, big into Corvettes. So yeah, definitely a couple of steps above where I am. A couple really big steps, but gives me goals. Fortunately, I get to use that garage. So that brings me to my next point. I've really been considering lately building another drift car. Nothing against the RX-7, just the fact that the car is super clean. It's becoming very rare. It kind of breaks my heart to chop it up and make it all nasty drift machine. So what I would like to do is build something that's cost effective, tough as balls. Thinking something of the easy to get, something I can get parts for easy, something I can build for cheap, and something I know is gonna be solid. So I might be doing something in that shop or building something for a drift car. I haven't decided yet. I went last week to see Jay at Kiwi and he showed me a little something he had kicking around, but I looked all over the internet, found a bunch of stuff. Some dudes were sketchy that were selling stuff. It's up in the air. I am planning on building a track car, a drift car that's only gonna be on the track, not on the street at all, but I want it to be gnarly and aggressive, scary, but tough and reliable. Stay tuned and I'm gonna see what happens and go from there, but we're doing some cool stuff. I will catch you guys later. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share these videos, give it the thumbs up, comments. All you guys that have been doing it so far, I appreciate it more than you can know. I'll see you next time. Peace. Stay happy.